Morning everyone. Respected Principal Dr. Anthony Joseph Sir, Vice Principal Subarnamis, dear teachers and my dear friends. Today, I want to talk about something simple yet incredibly powerful, gratitude. In the midst of our busy college lives, it's easy to overlook the little things that make our journey meaningful. We are constantly juggling assignments, exams, and personal challenges, often focusing on what we haven't done yet or what we still want to achieve. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking more happiness, peace, and success could be as simple as shifting your focus to what you already have? Gratitude is a mindset, a way of thinking that transforms our experiences. It's more than just saying thank you, it's about truly appreciating the people, moments, and opportunities around us. In fact, research in positive psychology has shown that people who practice gratitude regularly are happier, healthier, and more resilient. Gratitude isn't just about big life changing moments, it's about finding joy and meaning in every day. Think about your typical day as a college student. Between lectures, group projects, and deadlines, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But back, you realize that there is so much to be thankful for. Maybe it's a supportive friend who listens to you when about a tough exam, or a professor who goes out of their way to help you understand a difficult concept. Maybe it's something as simple as having a place to study or access to resources that many others don't have. These are the things that deserve gratitude. But the power of gratitude goes beyond just feeling thankful. It also impacts our mental health and well-being. Studies have shown that when we focus on the things we are grateful for, we train our brains to notice the positives in our lives instead of getting stuck in the cycle of negativity. This shift in perspective can significantly reduce stress and increase feelings of contentment. For example, keeping a gratitude journal when you write down three things you are grateful for each day has been shown to improve mood and even sleep quality. It's a small practice that can make a big difference in how you approach life. Gratitude also strengthens relationship. Think about the last time someone expressed genuine appreciation for you. It's made probably good, right? The same goes for the people around us. When we take the time to thank our classmates, professors, or family members, we not only lift their spirits, but we also build stronger connections. As college students, building meaningful relationship is one of the most valuable things we can do. Networking, supporting each other, and learning a key role in fostering those connections. But what about in tough times? It's easy to be thankful when life is going smoothly. But what about when we face obstacles or setbacks? It's in those moments that gratitude can be most powerful. When things go as planned, whether it's a failed test, a tough breakup, or a missed opportunity, we can focus on what we have learned, what we still have, and how we can grow from the experience. Gratitude turns challenges into opportunities for growth. As we navigate our college years, I encourage each of you to make gratitude a part of your daily life. Start small. Thank a friend for their support, appreciate the beauty of a quiet moment, or simply acknowledge how far you have come in your journey. It may seem simple, but it has the power to shift your mindset and create a positive, fulfilling experience here at college. Remember, gratitude isn't just a one-time thing, it's a habit, something we cultivate over time. The more we practice it, the more we see the world through the lens of appreciation. As we move forward, let's make gratitude a priority in our lives. Not only will it improve our own well-being, but it will create a ripple effect, making our college community a more connected, positive, and supportive place. So, take a moment today to reflect on what you are thankful for and keep that mindset throughout the day. Gratitude is powerful and it's in your hands to unlock its full potential. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjana.